Hello everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plans on Instagram. So for today, I will be doing my December bullet journal for 2025, and I will be using the deco kit from Paper Trail Plans, which is called Yuletide, and also the pop-up storybook pop-up from Mariah from Imperfect Plans. So yeah, she's got really very cute pop-ups, and she did a collaboration with Paper Trail Plans, so that's why the paper used on this pop-up is matches what I'm using for the kit that I'm using from Paper Trail Plans. So it's so cute. Look at that, the snowflake is popping out, and she has a lot of other items that you can use in your journal or anywhere you want to use it, because they're really so interesting and so so unique. So it's like, how does she come up with this thing? So do check out her shop as well as Paper Trail Plans, who I PR for, and check out all their goodies, because if you watch this during during the Thanksgiving sales, you'll get a lot of discounts. So yeah, I hope you see this and go over to their shops. So what I did with this storybook pop-up is do a picture frame of sorts, right? That's what I was thinking in my mind. So the picture frame has this scene of the Christmas trees, the shopping, the shops around them, and then a lot of gold foil around them. So I really loved how this turned out, because I was thinking, what do I do with this? How do I figure out what I'm going to do with this pop-up? And that was what came up. This very pretty scene with the shops, and that's what I come up with for this one. So just coming up with a concept takes some time, so it's already in my mind. I'm like, what am I gonna do for my December bullet journal? Because it's an empty spread, so it's harder, I believe, maybe, but then when it all comes together, it looks so pretty. So how do I come up with the spreads? I don't do drawings, so stickers really work well, and since sticker spreads or sticker kits have a theme, that's what I work with, which is so that's good, right? there's still a pattern that I am following, and then I just put it all together, and it turns out really pretty in my opinion. So I am using the December script. This is also from Paper Trail Plans. So the shop has so many things you can use. They also do bullet journaling items, which I'll be using in the next pages. So for this one, I am using the Paper Trail Plans tags, Christmas tags, because I feel of course, if it's a December spread, we all want it to be so much joy, so much festivities that's for me. So that's why I'm I need to fill out this cover page with plenty of really pretty stuff like this tags that I also purchased from Paper Trail Plans, and it's just so pretty with all the snowflakes and the colors of Christmas. And then I also have the quotes from the same kit that you could add on as a purchase, and then more of the deco as well with the bundle. This chapter is from one of her old kits, I believe, a reading deco kit that she had. So that's why I've used this chapter for the whole of my spreads for bullet journaling. So that's what I put in, so that's consistent, right? Something is consistent. So I already prepared this beforehand, because this takes forever to do. With this, I used gold foil liners to mark the monthly spread that I do. So this is where I put everything that happens for the month of December. And then of course, as you can see, my Monday or my days of the week are wrong, but I'll update that once this is out. I figured it out. I'm when I was about to put the numbers, I'm I think I put the days of the week wrong. So I do a Saturday start, Saturday to Sunday, and that's why it will, that's because the boxes, that's the same dates that will also appear. Okay, so all right, so for this one, I usually like to do yeah, the deco as usual, and then I did a Dutch door, and I'm using the die cuts also from the, so all of this, all of the stickers I use here are from the Yuletide deco, and there are also die cuts that you can purchase, which are, one is original and the other is inverted, so it's like a page turner for me. I use it like a page turner, and yeah, like you can see here, I'm gonna stick this original sticker, and then there's the inverted one that just, it makes life so much easier. So yeah, it's great that there's an option like this. And yeah, and you know, doing a bullet journal just really takes a lot of time. So when I was doing this bullet journal, it took around a few days, and oh my gosh, 2 hours of, almost 2 hours of footage, which wasn't even I mean, everything I did, it wasn't even everything, because I filmed some that was not, I didn't film some of like building up this this foiled month's event, so it takes some time. So that's why sometimes I don't film my bullet journals spreads, because yeah, it's just time consuming, and I'm like, you know, kills the fun. So that's why. But this time I'm like, it's so festive, I wanted to use all the elements. It's December, so yeah, I just wanted to share my spread for December. So this December like script is actually from another kit. It is from Saucy Stickers Go. So the Saucy Stickers Go and Paper Trail Plans had like the same clip art maybe that they used for December, but then it still came out different for Saucy Stickers Go. So if you want to check out all those kits that I got for my Christmas stuff, I'll leave a link up here or down below, or you can check my channel for the Christmas haul. And yeah, so I could go over everything that I got. So this is the month events, where I put down all my things that happened for December. All right, so the next page I am creating would be like the florals that would peep out of that Dutch door. So for this one, I think this would be my page for orders and PR stuff. So I like that peekaboo kind of like Dutch door, where when you open it, then, or at least it's not even open, it's just there already, that the florals are peeping out. But since the florals don't span the whole like length of the journal, I just add more of the florals, which you know is abundant in this kit, and I just love the colors of those florals, especially the green. It's like different color, green, bluish green, or I'm not sure. All right, so next on, I've put down like a alcohol ink swatch behind that. This is another like die cut that I use, because the die cuts are bigger, so I really like the big sizes, especially if I need to fill out the space. And then the alcohol ink swatches just gives another dimension to your stickers, and it also like fills out the spaces which are white spaces that I want to cover up. So I did do that for the houses, and also the stockings, the really cute stockings that I put on here. And then I am using the Sadie stickers letters, which are, I think are they typewriter letters? But yeah, so I put it down like orders. So Paper Trail Plans also has this kinds of titles. So I think she has an order tracker, but I just like to use the shorter version, which is the orders, and then PR stuff. So that page was done because yeah, I wasn't able to film like putting down the PR stuff. So PR stuff is the information I need to write down for like any sales coming up for the PR teams, PR shops, PR the shops that I PR for, which are namely Paper Trail Plans, Miss and Meow, and Blissful Jayde Design. So I leave that space so I know what to do with the PR stuff. All right, so the next page, this of course is my books and TV. So I usually want to have a book like sticker on my books and TV movies page. So this time I combined the TV and books. I combined the page together, like all the boxes together. So the longer boxes are for books, and then for the TV or movie titles, I put in this square box. So I think it really came out so cute, because usually when I watch, it's like series, so the whole month is a series. And that's why there's fewer TV boxes. So I really love how this turned out, and I'm like, oh, I can actually do this. So those boxes are actually for, like, if you do a regular spread, you can purchase this page. So if you do, like, I do plan with me's, like the memory plan with me's, and if you watch those, you'll see this kinds of boxes that I use. All right, so the next page is my ideas page. So it's just a blank page that I use with a beautiful deco, because it's a space where I write down what I'm going to do next. For, like, I have a lot to do for January, because of course we have 2026, the year of 2026, the January bullet journal, the reading journal. So there's a lot to do, there's a lot to plan for, and I'm excited about all of that. So for this Dutch door pages, are like a waterfall Dutch pages, I believe they're called. This is for my weekly that I will be doing, like the to-dos that I need to do for the whole month. So I do it the whole month. I don't do like 1 week at a time, where I do a spread 1 week at a time, since I need it all done before the start of the month, so that it's all ready. And I still do a lot of other planner stuff, so that's why I think it's better for me to do it this way. So I have the cover page that I was doing, and then I also used again one of the die cuts for my page turner, and then this other one is the florals from the washi page. So I just wanted to, I feel like it would be better if this was in premium matte, because this one is very soft for like a when you turn the page, but it looks so very pretty. So still really good. I love how this turned out. And then I will just decorate the pages for the weekly, just leaving enough space for my to-dos. I don't usually have a lot, so this space is actually enough for me. Like things I need to do for the week, or in advance, I already list down what I need to do. All right, so I put down the weekly like words, just to fill out that space, and also just to show you that it's a weekly spread. And then I will be decorating this cover page. So there's another cover page, right? Cover page for my weekly. I really love what I did with my November spread. That one is I didn't film that November spread, but that's actually what I copied for December. And I just love how this cover page turned out. I was thinking, should I put in goals or something? But I'm like, I really love the view of like a cover page for my weekly to-do. So this December script is also from Paper Trail Plans. And then I just, I need to fill it up with all the festive colors. That's what I did with the cover page. All right, so for the weekly, like days of the week, I am using the Graceful Muse papery days of the week, because it's in gold foil. So that's what I did, and then I went back and forth. So with so if I don't film this, I actually can do like any page that I do. But since we're doing it in filming it, so that's the other thing with filming. You need like a continuous way of showing each page. But it's okay, you can do whatever. So I did the 1 line a day on this page. So this is like highlights of the day, or any memories, or just anything that's like you're thankful for. So it's like a catch-all of all the things that I'm thankful for, grateful for, highlights, whatever I want to put down for the day. So I'm just decorating the rest of the page, and I use this really light colored marker, because when I was trying out like darker colored ones, like the color of this kit, it will just take up all the like how it looks like. So I mean, it will overwhelm the page, I feel. So that's why I use a lighter colored marker for like the lines. And I don't do anything special because it's already taken so much time to create this. So that's why I just do it simply with just putting down the days of the week, the days of the dates, and then of course just coloring it with some um, pink markers. So yeah, this is the other design, like the beautiful basket of Christmas balls. I'm just so in love with this monthly spread. And I think, yeah, this is the weekly. So now on to the memories. So I have this 2 pages for photos actually. So I've been so happy putting down the photos from like the previous months. I already have them down, except for November because it's still November right now. It's 11:29. So yeah, so that will be what I will be doing for this page. So I leave a lot of space and just a few of the deco all around just to not leave it empty. And that memories script is from Paper Trail Plans, as other like one line a day is also from them. So this is the page. The left page is for the this month, like a review, and then this page that I'm decorating right now is for like next month's events. So these are all the things I write down for anything that's going to happen next month, so that I can fill up the January with whatever plans are in here. So yeah, I really love this page because it just lets me know what's happening in the next month. And then for the left page, I will be doing like a monthly review. So this is like a more of like reflection of what happened during the month of December, and it's just a journaling page, which I also like. Looking back on the things that happened in December. So, once I read this or go back to the spread, I have something to read and something to, reflect back on. And yeah, this came out so pretty. And the monthly review is again from Paper Trail Plans. They have a lot of scripts. You can check out their shop for much more scripts. They have plenty more scripts that you can choose from. So yeah, this is the monthly review. I am going to put down like they also have these full boxes as well. That when you do like a memory plan with it, like I do, you can use this full boxes for those spreads. But I really love putting this here on this side of the page. So yeah, this is the full flip through of this beautiful December spread. It's so pretty. I just love all the foil, all the colors, how Christmas or like the holidays are just so festive. And I have it ready for me to fill out for the month of December, which is coming so quickly. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Happy December, happy holidays, and thank you always for watching. Bye.